Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Grade 4, this is your science lesson, and in this lesson, we are going to discuss unit number 7, animals. In animals, in this lesson, we have learned about classification of animals. That most common classification of animals is vertebrates and invertebrates, and we have further discussed the invertebrates. And from vertebrates, we have discussed mammals in our previous lesson. So in this lesson, we are going to discuss about birds and reptiles. Let's see what are birds. An animal you can see which is covered with feathers, they are birds. There are different characteristics of birds, like as I already told you that their bodies are covered with feathers. They have wings which help them to fly, and they hatch from eggs and they breathe from their lungs. And there are very few which cannot fly, like penguins, and they do not have teeth. They have beak, and the beak is evolved in a way that it helps them to eat their food. And all the birds live on land except penguins. They live on land, but they spend their most of the time in water. The body of a bird is divided into different parts, and the basic parts are three, that is, head, the trunk, and the limbs. The wings and the feet are included in the limbs. Let's see what are reptiles. As you can see in the picture, snakes, turtles, lizards, these are all reptiles. Now let's see what are the characteristics of a reptile. Their bodies are covered with scales, and snakes are the only reptile which do not have legs. Like you can see that reptiles, that lizard or the turtle, they have legs, but the only reptile which do not have legs is snake, and they hatch from eggs and they breathe through their lungs. And just like birds, they all live on land, but the turtle or tortoise, it is the only reptile which spend its most time in oceans, and they eat different plants and insects like mice and other small insects. Now their bodies are also divided into same three parts, that is head, trunk, and tail. I hope these things are clear to you. Inshallah, I will see you in the next lesson. Till then, Allah Hafiz.